I'm going to show you a few of the features and the tools with Pages in your Canvas course. When you go into your course, the navigation on the left, you'll see where Pages is. That is where this home page was created. So it's a good place for adding images. You can link images to other places. There's a different tutorial video to show you how to do that. If I click Pages, View All Pages, I can show you a few more examples of what you could use Pages for. If you created a virtual classroom, you can embed a Google slide directly into Pages. There's a separate tutorial video to do that. Anything you edit on your original slide is automatically updated in your Canvas as well. You can embed other Google things like your Google Calendar. And again, it automatically updates from the original calendar. You can make more simple pages. That consists of lists or links. So in this video, we're going to focus on mainly the tools within Pages. So plus page, we're going to add a new one and give it a name. And a lot of these tools at the top are going to look familiar. So that's for any words you add. You can change bold, you can center them on the page, change color, bullet, number. You can change the size here. So a lot of those you're probably pretty familiar with. This one here is for adding a table. If you wanted to add images or words or links within a table. The play button, insert media. Here you can embed a video from using a URL. So if I have a video I want to add, whether it's a directional video or educational video, I can copy the URL and paste it here. You can adjust the dimensions if you want it to be larger or smaller. And it will embed into the page. The next one here shows a link to URL. That is where you can link images or words. So selecting what you want linked, copying the URL, and pasting it. If I leave it like this and click Insert Link, you're going to see this YouTube pop up. Go back to Link to URL and click Disable Inline Previews for this link. That'll take that away if you want it to be taken away. And Update Link. And now you can just see when it turns yellow, you know that it's been linked. To unlink something, go back to it and choose the Remove Link button. You can embed an image here with a URL. There's also a place for adding images to the right, where this tab says Images. You can search images that are already here. You can upload one that's already on your computer. You can also copy and paste images from the web. Copy, paste. There's the option to add Google Apps here. This will take you to your Google Drive. You can choose a document that you want to embed or link this way. More external tools can be found here. This option, you can record or upload your own audio or video. Anything you add or change and you want to save, be sure to click Save or Save and Publish if you're ready for students to see it. This HTML editor up top is going to be where you see the coding for it. If you really want to adjust things that are seemingly impossible because formatting on this can be difficult, you can have fun messing around with code a little bit. And that's just a few of the features and tools in Pages.